All right, what's up, everybody? We are back once again, and today we're going to do part two of how to use the Inteletravel booking engine. And in today's video, we're going to talk specifically about cruises, how to book cruises using the Inteletravel booking engine. All right, we'll be right back. All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back. So let's talk about cruises. Cruises. So I'm gonna show you how to put together a cruise quote for your client. So if you got a client that's want to go on a cruise, I'm gonna show you how to do that all inside the Intellitravel back office. Okay, so we'll go up here to book travel. I'm inside my Intellitravel back office, and you go down to cruises. Now this is my favorite booking engine that I like to use for cruises. Oops, let me log in. Go down to cruises. So now you want to go to Launch Cruise Engine now, okay? I very highly recommend it for you to watch this Intelletravel video on the cruise booking engine. It can really help you out if it's your first time using it. But I'm gonna give you guys some little quick guidance right now, okay? So Launch Cruise Engine now. So this is the cruise engine, okay? So let's say you just want to put together a quote for a client. They don't have any specifics. We're just gonna do an example. So let's say we're gonna select Caribbean cruise. So come here and select Caribbean. Let's say we want to port out of, let's see, New Orleans. Let's select, let's see here, Carnival. Now, if you don't select any cruise lines, all of them will show in your search results, which is a good thing, because the good thing I like about the Inteletravel cruise booking engine, you can search a variety of cruise lines all in one place, okay, versus going to each cruise line individually just to see what type of deals they have. Guys, this is powerful. You can search across 30 suppliers dealing with the cruise industry to find out who has the best deal all in one place. And that's what I like about the Inteletravel booking engine. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna talk about Carnival. Let's say we're gonna leave the Carnival cruise line, the type of ships, unchecked. I want to see what options they have for all of them. Let's say we're gonna do one in September of this year. Let's look up a 4 to 6 night cruise. Okay, let's hit search. See, now you got all your options for your Carnival. Different ships, different prices. $294. You got your prices for your inside cabin, outside cabin, balcony, suite prices. And if you want to get more information, just click on this view itinerary. It's going to show you the itinerary for the cruise. And you can come in here and see the selling dates and things of that nature. So if you want to select different dates, you can. Cruise info, all the info on the ship. Then you can share this with your clients, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a minute. Gratuity information, okay? You can see all this type of information here. The cruise length, cancellation policy, and things of that nature. So if you want to come in here and actually share this itinerary with your clients, you can just hit share, and it'll be copied to your clipboard. And if you notice here, if I come in here and put this link that I copied to the clipboard, it's going to take this person right back to this page here, and they can come in here and look exactly here and book it themselves, or you can book it for them. I like booking it for my clients to make sure everything's get done correctly. So that's just me, that's my preference. So if you want to, like I said, you can share the itinerary that way. Let's see here. Or you can come here and you can book it. Or you can share it up here too. You can share it up here, share this whole entire page. And everything is tailored to you guys. It's tailored to your needs. It's also tailored to your site. So if somebody come in here and you send them this link and they book the cruise, you get the commission because it's your link. Okay, it has your ID attached to it. If you are an Inteletravel agent, okay. If you're not an Inteletravel agent, become one today. So if I come in here, let's say I want to book this cruise here for a client, just click on book. Let's say you got all your quotes here, so you can easily give your clients the information they need. You can write down the quote, put it in a message form, message your client or email them, or you can just send them this link and they can view the information themselves. So for example, if you want to share this entire page here, click share. And if I go to another link, another page, you can see this is the link I copied because I hit the share button. And it's going to give them all the information about the cruise, everything, the itinerary. And if you just want to share the itinerary, like I said, you can come up here and it'll just share the itinerary. And all it is, let me show you, the itinerary is nothing but the copied data. See, that's everything that I copied, okay? So you can share this itinerary, put it on Facebook, whatever you got to do, or send your clients a message, whatever you want to do, you can share this information with your clients, okay? But this button here to share the whole entire page. It's to share all the information on the cruise line. They can come here and see for themselves. So you'll never have to worry about a client coming in here and booking and you don't get paid. If you share this link that you already researched, they can come in here and book it themselves, see the information, and go from there. Okay. So if you hit book, your clients are coming here. You can put their ages here. We'll just put some dummy information in for the sake of this video. Select, let's see, Mississippi, cruise only. All right, and hit continue. Computer a little slow. So there you go. You got all your information here. Okay. Now, if you was to come in here and click on price, it'll give you the breakdown of everything. Okay. By cabins. So, for example, here, it's going to show you the breakdown of how much it is with taxes and everything included, how much the deposit would be per person. No, that's the whole deposit. I'm sorry. Yeah, that's the whole deposit. And the cruise final payment. So it'll give you the dates and times and everything you need. So it's gonna give you all the information you need. Now, if you want to change rooms, you can come in here and select a different type of room. This is a interior. These are the interiors. You can select 4A. You can select a stateroom. You can select, let's see, they got all type of, so the list goes on and on. They got the porthole window. They have, okay, you got all that. So if you want to come in here, this is all the cabin assignments that are available for Carnival. Okay. Let's say you want to do balcony. Click on balcony. It's going to show you all the balconies. Okay. Suite. Click on suites. It's going to show you all the suites. It's going to give you all the information. So as you click on price, you got non-refundable and you got refundable. Okay. Refundable always be a little bit higher. The non-refundable rate always cheaper. So you can, whatever option suits your clients the best. So you can come here, click price, and there you go. You got all the information you need to give them a quote. Okay, you can send them this link. Okay, or you can send them information yourself. You can put together all this information. If you want to add pictures, you can save image as, add pictures to it, and put together a quote on your own, or you can just share this entire link. So if I wanted to, let's see here. Let's say book now. Click continue. And see here, this is everything. If you want to request a certain cabin, you can. You can upgrade your stateroom, you can. You can select your stateroom. So I just wanted to share with you how easy it is to look up a cruise. Now let's go back. I'm going to show you. Let's go back. Let's say I want to look up all cruise lines. Let's say we uncheck, let's say we reset everything, reset the entire thing. So let's go to Caribbean. We're going to port from, let's try a different port, Port Carnival. We're going to leave this unchecked. We want to see all the cruise lines, all the cruise ships. And let's see dates for September. And 4 to 6 nights. Okay, now it's going to show you everything for that, for all the cruise lines. So now we got Carnival. And you can come here and filter these out. You can filter by cruise lines. You got Disney Cruise Line included in here. You got Royal Caribbean. You have Norwegian. So you got all of them in here, guys. So you can come here and play with all of these. And the same thing, you know, you can come in here if they want to go on Norwegian, or you can share this whole page and let them pick and choose what they want. For example, you share this, get a copy to your clipboard, paste it in. And they can review over the information, look through it, and they may book it themselves. Or they may come back and say, hey, I want this one right here, the 5 nights Cuba, Norwegian Sun. So all you got to do is go here. It'll automatically show you what dates. And it's going to show you everything, all the information you need. So let's say you want this date. They want this one. Just hit book. Here's all your information. Okay. And all you got to do is hit book again. Put in the number of guests. Let's say it's 4 people going. You got 14-year-old, you got 20-year-old, you got 35, and you got a 40. Select what state they're going out of, their residency. Let's just say Vermont, cruise only. Now you do have the options to see cruise with airlines. Some of them will have airlines in there. Let's see here. Country, United States, state. Let's say for example they stay in Ohio. And departure airport, Ohio. Give you guys some examples. Oh, here you go. Columbus. Continue. So they got the prices here. Okay. Let's say they want to do the suite. Okay. You come in here, click price, and it automatically calculates the airfare. Okay. The cruise fare, taxes, and how much it'll be per person. So you got, if you know the ages be cheaper, so if the kids be cheaper, you got your cruise deposit amount, which is $200. Okay. So, and the final payment is on this day here. So you got all your information here. So guys, you can come in here and play with this. So guys, this is how you put together cruise packages, whether your clients needs flights or not. You can do this. It's very, very easy. So guys, it's very, very easy to do. So guys, hope you found value from this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And don't forget to leave a comment if you have any feedback you would like to leave. If you're interested in learning more how to become a travel agent, click that link below and you will watch a free presentation that can show you more information on how to become a travel agent and how you can get more out of the travel industry. All right, Larry Porter signing off and happy traveling. Bye-bye.